Here's where you can go to find the night display feature and enable it. Now, this feature isn't available for every Amazfit smartwatch out there, but mostly the higher tier types such as the Balance 2. And I'll show you where to go to find it, and let's get started. You'll need the latest update for your Amazfit watch to see if you have this feature. So the first place you can check is using the quick access and swiping to the right, and you'll look for this icon right here. Once you tap on it, that'll enable the night display feature. Now, if it's not there and you want to also continue to check if your phone does have it, just go into the settings option right here. And within this section here, you are going to go down until you see display. And within the display area, you are going to go down and keep going down until you see night display. If you see it there, then that means your Amazfit in particular has this feature. And I'm saying not all because I do have a Amazfit Active 2 smartwatch and it doesn't have this feature. So maybe the more higher end Amazfit smartwatches will have this feature. Anyways, once you go into it, you can turn it on. And you can choose the color that you want it to be, red, orange, or green. And of course, I love my green, so we'll stick with green. And you got the auto enable here, which you can have it turn on by itself manually, which is how you would turn it on with a toggle, or the schedule option, which will allow you to set it to turn on and off at a given set time. All right, and that's it for this guide here. You can always come back here and turn it off or use the quick access. Let's just say you're here and you can go here and then just disable it from here. And that's it, like and sub.